Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best paint trays is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any painter's arsenal, transforming a potentially messy and time-consuming task into a streamlined and efficient process. Whether you're a seasoned professional tackling a large-scale renovation or a DIY enthusiast embarking on a weekend project, the right paint tray can significantly impact the quality of your finish and your overall painting experience, ensuring a smooth, even coat every time. Number 5. 6-Piece ES House Paint Roller Kit. Introducing our 6-piece paint roller kit. It includes an extendable roller frame and 5 microfiber roller covers, perfect for any painting job. Reach new heights with the adjustable extension feature. It easily extends from 18 to 36 inches, allowing you to paint high ceilings without a ladder. Experience a smooth, even finish with our non-shedding microfiber rollers. They offer excellent paint absorption and are suitable for all types of paints and stains. Crafted for durability, this tool features a sturdy yet lightweight construction. The comfortable sponge handle reduces fatigue and provides a secure grip. Achieve professional results with ease. This versatile roller is ideal for walls, ceilings, floors, and various interior or exterior painting projects. What we like. This roller kit offers an extendable frame, reaching up to 36 inches without a ladder. Its non-shedding microfiber ensures a smooth finish with minimal splatter. If you're tackling high ceilings or large walls and want a comfortable, efficient painting experience, this is the tool for you. What people say. The trays are made of sturdy plastic and hold a good amount of paint. The design allows for easy cleaning and reuse. They fit standard paint rollers perfectly and reduce drips. Number 4. Handy Paint Tray. Tired of messy paint jobs? Introducing the Handy Paint Tray, designed to make your painting projects easier and cleaner. Its deep well design holds up to a full gallon of paint or stain, reducing the need for frequent refills. With sturdy handles on both ends, you can easily move it around your workspace without spills. Keep your brush handy and secure with the integrated magnetic brush holder. No more searching for a place to rest your brush. This tray is built to hold a gallon of paint, ensuring you have enough for any job, big or small. Make your next painting project a breeze with this essential tool. It's the smart choice for any DIYer. What we like. This paint tray boasts a deep well design capable of holding a full gallon of paint. With sturdy handles on both ends, it's easy to maneuver. If you're undertaking a large project and want to minimize refills, this tray is an excellent choice for its capacity and ease of use. What people say. The paint trays are made of sturdy plastic and hold a good amount of paint. The design allows for easy cleaning and the paint flows smoothly into the roller. These trays are a great addition to any painting project, making the process much more efficient. Number 3. UNVERT'S 9 Paint Tray and Liner Set. Introducing the UNVERT'S 9-inch paint tray and liner set, designed for a seamless painting experience. This set includes a durable metal tray and disposable liners, perfect for any project. Our metal tray is crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant steel, built for repeated use. The disposable liners offer a convenient, mess-free solution, allowing you to simply discard them after use. The versatile 9-inch size accommodates most paint rollers, ensuring a comfortable painting experience. Choose from multi-packs of liners to suit any project, big or small. With a 1-quart capacity, this tray makes painting cleaner and easier. Quickly switch between colors with disposable liners, saving you time and minimizing cleanup hassle. These liners work with all types of paints, stains, and finishes. The metal tray features convenient hooks for easy ladder attachment, enhancing your painting workflow. What we like. This set includes a durable, rust-resistant metal tray and disposable liners for easy cleanup. The 9-inch size is versatile, and the tray holds up to 1 quart of paint. If you value convenience and easy color changes without the hassle of cleaning a traditional tray, this liner set is ideal for you. What people say. The trays are sturdy and hold a good amount of paint. Easy to clean and reuse. The design allows for easy dipping of rollers and brushes. Number 2. 20 PCS Small Paint Roller Kit. Get everything you need for your painting project with this comprehensive kit. It includes a variety of rollers, brushes, trays, and even painter's tape, all designed for easy cleanup and reuse. Experience superior results with our high-density foam and microfiber rollers. Their special designs ensure even paint application and reduce paint buildup for straighter, cleaner lines. Our paint tray is built to last, resisting damage and ensuring efficient paint application. It's designed for easy paint pouring and quick cleanup, making your painting process smoother. Achieve professional-looking results with the included synthetic paint brush, which applies paint smoothly without strokes. The medium adhesive painter's tape ensures clean lines without bleeding or residue. These mini rollers are ideal for a wide range of surfaces, from walls to furniture. They offer flexibility for precise work in edges, corners, and for quick touch-ups. Whether you're using water-based or oil-based paints, latex, or gloss finishes, this kit is compatible. Enjoy effortless painting and easy cleanup after every use. What we like. This kit provides a variety of mini rollers, including high-density foam with a special edge design for flawless finishes and non-shedding microfiber. It also comes with a versatile tray and painter's tape. If you need to paint cabinets, furniture, or perform detailed touch-ups, this versatile set offers the precision you need. What people say. The paint trays are sturdy and hold a good amount of paint. Easy to clean and reuse, which saves money and reduces waste. The design allows for easy dipping of rollers and brushes, minimizing drips and spills. Number 1. Fillable Touch-Up Paint Pen Brush, 3 PCS. Tired of scuffs and scratches marring your walls? Our innovative pen features a soft brush tip, perfect for quick and precise touch-ups on walls, trim, and doors. It's ideal for tight spaces, eliminating messy splatters and drips. Experience the latest design in home repair. This pen allows you to control the paint flow with a simple press, ensuring you use just the right amount. Make your home look brand new with ease. Say goodbye to disposable brushes. Our pens are refillable, saving you money and reducing waste. Simply refill with your desired paint and keep your tools ready for the next project. Achieve meticulous repairs with minimal effort. The precise paint control ensures even application, reducing mistakes and waste. Home paint repair has never been this simple or efficient. Keep your paint fresh for over 48 months right inside the pen. Forget messy paint cans and trays. This design offers a clean and convenient way to store and use your touch-up paint. For the best experience, a quick dip in warm water before reuse will keep the nib ready for action. Tackle any painting task with confidence and convenience. What we like. This refillable paint pen offers precise control for touch-ups, allowing you to adjust paint flow by pressing. It eliminates the mess of traditional paint cans and brushes, keeping paint fresh for extended periods. If you need to quickly and neatly repair small scuffs, chips, or nail holes on walls or trim, this pen is the most efficient solution. What people say. The paint trays are sturdy and hold a good amount of paint. Easy to clean and reuse, which is a great feature. The design allows for easy dipping of rollers and brushes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.